In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an auto response rule in Salesforce. This process can significantly improve your efficiency by automatically engaging with your clients and providing them with immediate feedback or information. Let's dive right in and explore how to set up this incredibly useful feature step by step. First, we'll need to log in to Salesforce. Ensure you have your credentials ready, as this will be your entryway to accessing all the tools and functionalities that Salesforce has to offer. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. From here, navigate to the setup by clicking the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon gives you access to a wide range of customization options. Find and select Advanced Setup from the drop-down menu, as this is where we'll craft our auto response rules. In the Setup menu, you'll see a search bar labeled Quick Find. Enter Auto Response Rules in this bar. This feature is designed to help you quickly locate any settings or tools you need without having to comb through all the options manually. Once you've typed in Auto Response Rules, hit Enter and you'll be taken directly to the relevant section. Now, to initiate the creation of a new rule, simply click on New Rule. This button is your starting point for setting up any new automated responses within Salesforce. After selecting it, you'll be prompted to input a name for your rule. Choose something descriptive and relevant to ensure easy identification later. Enter the name and click Save to ensure your progress isn't lost. Once saved, return to your list of rules and click on the newly created rule. The purpose of this step is to begin defining the specifics of the rule. Next, click on New Rule Entry to start setting the criteria for when and how this rule should be applied. This is an important step as the effectiveness of your rule heavily depends on the criteria you set. After setting your criteria, choose an email template for your response. Email templates are predefined drafts that ensure consistent messaging across all automated responses. You'll also want to specify the sender details, who the automated email is coming from, which adds a personalized touch. If you have multiple entries, determining the rule order is crucial, as Salesforce will execute the rules based on this hierarchy. Arrange them such that the most general rules are at the bottom, with more specific ones taking precedence at the top. Finally, once all settings are in place, be sure to activate the rule. This is your confirmation signal to Salesforce that you're ready to start deploying the auto responses. With everything configured and activated, your Salesforce account will now handle responses automatically, allowing you to focus more on strategic aspects of your operations. Thank you for watching, and I hope this has been helpful in setting up your Salesforce auto response rules effectively.